Help beginner learners gain confidence by becoming familiar with basic shapes with this resource for grades pre-kindergarten to 2. Combining the task and drill sheets for algebra, our ready-made resource includes rubrics, teacher guide, and a leveled approach to learning that increases in difficulty as you move through the unit. The task sheets are word problems taken from real-life experiences. Describe where each shape is found in a picture. Use different shapes to make a robot or house. Transform a shape by turning it, sliding it, or flipping it. Draw the missing half of a symmetrical shape. Test your comprehension with warm-up and timed drill activities. Match items in your classroom with certain shapes. Identify circles from squares and triangles. Count the number of sides and corners of plane shapes. Count the number of edges, faces, and corners of solid shapes. An assessment in the form of a review is included at the end of each unit. The Easy Marking Answer Key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 6-color practice activity sheets completes the resource. Using pattern blocks, count how many different shapes students can make. Geometry task and drill sheets is just one of 5 strands included in the series for grades pre-kindergarten to 2. Visit our website to see number and operations, algebra, measurement, and data analysis and probability.